Hi, this is Sandra. I'm going to show you how to make the perfect meatballs and sauce to go on your pasta. First, what we're doing is sauteing the bell peppers and onions into the ground meat. And this is going to be our sauce, and we're going to add our meatballs to it. I'll be right back to show you how to do the meatballs. But we put black pepper and salt, any season that you want to put in this. We're using 3 pounds of ground meat, a half a pound for the sauce, and half a pound for the meatballs. We'll be right back. This is smelling so good. Just sauteing this, and we'll be right back. I'm adding the marinara sauce to this ground meat that we're going to use for the sauce. I'm adding all the marinara sauce, and it's on simmer, and we're going to add the meatballs next. All right, we add the meatballs, and let the meatballs cook about 5 or 6 minutes because they're going to simmer in this sauce with the ground meat that's already cooked with the bell peppers and onions. So we're going to immerse them down just a little bit like that, and we're going to let them cook for about at least 10 minutes in the sauce, and we'll be right back. Just merge them down in the sauce like that, and we're going to come right back and let you see what they look like. All right, at this point, we add the meatballs, and we're going to just put the sauce on top of the meatballs, and we're going to make sure that they're immersed down. And at this point, you can put any season you want. If you want more Italian season, if you want Mexican seasons, Chinese season, whatever you want, you can put it in this if that's your preference. But I just want a regular sauce to go on the spaghetti. So what we're going to do now is put a top on it. We're going to make sure these are immersed down just like this, and we're going to put them on simmer. And when we put them on simmer, we're going to put a top on top, just like that, and let them simmer for about at least 15 minutes, and we'll be right back. Our meatballs are ready. Our meatballs and sauce is ready. Look how thick and delicious this sauce looks. Oh my goodness. You can make this any flavor you like. If you like oregano, put more oregano in there. If you just like plain American, just put plain American. But don't forget the Parmesan cheese to go on top of that. The Parmesan cheese will be a plus. Now this is the meatballs and the sauce, the meat sauce. Meatballs and meat sauce that makes it thick and rich and more hearty. This is Sandra. I'll be right back. Had to take you a picture of the meatballs and sauce by itself. Now that coats that spaghetti real good and heavy and hearty. You add your Parmesan cheese on top of it, and my, you have a wonderful, wonderful dish. This is will tell you how to eat it and get this recipe off of soulfoodqueen.net. Always go to my recipes on soulfoodqueen.net. Help my little old website over there. Y'all go over there, help and support it. This is Sandra will tell you how to eat it, and thank you for coming to my channel.